Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how we can pay for your subscriptions through your Bharatpe app. For that, just open the Bharatpe app. So after opening the app, here we just need to scroll down in the home page, and in the payment section we can just see the more option right there. Just tap on the more option right here. After that, just scroll down for a bit, and in the other section we can just see the subscription option right there. Just tap on the subscription right here and choose whichever subscription provider that you need to do the payment. After doing the after choosing the after choosing the subscription right here, just enter your mobile number right here, and also the name of your pack name right here. So after selecting the pack name, just to tap on the continue option just below bottom of this page and do the payment. So this is how we're gonna do the payment of your subscriptions through Bharatpe app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.